$5,000 in bonus money. And technically, you may have only invested $20 out of pocket, or you paid your energy bill, depending on where you live. And then, of course, from director, you go senior director. If you do that in the first 4 months, we're going to give you another $5,000. So, folks, that's $10,000 in 4 months or less in bonus money just for getting started with us, okay? And again, you may have only invested $80 out of pocket. You're talking about low overhead and high return. That's what business is all about, guys, and that's what we're doing. So what I want to do, I take the liberty here. I have a little whiteboard that I want to kind of illustrate, how this thing can really work for you. And it's really awesome because you don't have to have, the 50 degrees or whatnot. I'm not knocking education, but all it takes is a heart degree or a honor degree, okay? So here, what we're saying is, out of everybody you know, okay, or potentially everybody you meet, you know at least 5 people that can get started with you. So let's just say that 5 people, 3 neighbors, maybe 2 co-workers, maybe a relative. I mean, it's just everybody would know. 5 people that want to take, $20, okay, $20, and turn it into a lot more money, okay? Because here's the thing, where can you go and advance $20 in 4 months to 10 grand? Think about that, okay? And that's a fair question because that's exactly what we're showing people how to do. And that's just in the early start, right? So watch this, okay? When you do this, 3 of your partners, you help them build 10 customers underneath them. Of course, obviously, you're helping them build their business. But guess what? If you do that in the first 30 days, guys, we're going to pay you $1,000, okay? We're going to pay you $1,000. Now, you got paid $50 right up front because you brought 5 people in also in your first 30 days. Now, that should be done really in your first week. If you're serious about generating some money and starting your own business, hey, we're going to put $50 in your pocket minimum right away. So in total, that's $1,050. But watch this. That's the first month. And what just happened is you got promoted to manager, okay? You got promoted to the manager level. Congratulations. You got your first promotion and your first $1,000 bonus. Now, if it takes you longer than 30 days, we'll still pay you a bonus, but it'll be half, okay? You're talking about $500. Now, what you want to do from this point is simply this. So those 3 groups grow from 10 to 25. So you're going to add 15 more per group. 15 more. And think about this. Customers are business partners in our business, okay? And so the thing is, everybody's going to be going for their fast start, and they're going to be going for that $1,000, all right? Why not? I mean, it's $1,000. You can do a lot of stuff with $1,000, right? Bills, children, right? Grandchildren. I mean, that's what we're talking about. So all of a sudden, though, within your second month or 60 days, you do this, we're going to pay you another $1,000, okay? You just put $2 grand in your pocket in 60 days, and in the worst case, you came out of pocket $40, okay? $2,000 profit, $40 overhead, and that's a win all day long, okay? So that's what. Watch what's happening in the meantime. You're building a customer base as well. We're going to talk about that. The next position calls for this. You've already hit 25 customers, right? Well, those other 2 legs, if you take those to 25 as well, that's 5 groups of 25 customers under you. And again, you're not doing all of this yourself, guys. We're not looking for you to be some, dynamic guru salesperson. That's not it. But just through help will obtain their bonuses and grow their business. Watch this. We're going to pay you within the first 3 months an additional $3,000 bonus. So you're at $5 grand in 90 days or less, okay? $5,000, and at worst case, $60 out of pocket? Man, that's a win, 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 okay? But then to go to the next bonus, within 4 months, okay, 120 days, you have $5,000 waiting on you more. You know all you have to do? Folks, take 3 of those legs, any 3 of them, to 100 customers, okay? Any 3 to 100 total customers. And understand, if you just help a couple of people get the 1,000 to 1,000, you just put 75, at least 75 under one person. Okay, you help them grow their business by 75. This is why this system is so doable, because everybody's going to want to make their bonus money. Why not? Okay, so that picture right there will help you go senior director, guys. And man, I tell you, that's $10,000 total dollars if you do it within 4 months. Now, you don't have to take all 4 months to do it. You can do it in less than that. But that's 10 grand, okay? And in the meantime, look at all the customers you've assembled over here. Well, understand this. We're going to pay you a minimum of 50 cents a customer every month. 50 cents a customer. So if you have, 100 customers, $50 a month. If you have 500 customers, it's $250 a month. If you have 1,000 customers, $500 every month. We pay bonuses and our earning check, our commission check every week on Friday. But our residual check come in on the 15th of every month. And folks, it's going to get awfully fun for some folks as we start to build this business, okay? So moving right along as we get ready to close out, looking at residual income, those same 5 partners, 50 cents a customer, guys, $2. Because remember, we're customers first. So $2.50 a month, not much to brag home about. But guess what? They're going to want to get their bonus. That grows. Now it's 25 customers. You get $12.50 a month. Those 25 want to get their bonus. Man, just like that, you hit director. You know what happens when you hit director, guys, in less than, 3 months? So that's $5,000. That's $5,000. You got 5, them get 5 each, and those 25 got 5. Okay? So now you had about $80 to $90 in residual income every month. So the $20 isn't even coming out of your money anymore. All right? So, and it just continues to flourish because those people are going to want to get their bonus. They're going to want to make their $10,000. It boosts you up to about $400 a month. Now, not only is your $20 taken care of, but you might knock out your cell phone bill or your energy bill. Hello, somebody. Your electric bill is now being paid through your business, okay? We even have a method of referring the customers. They can refer 20 customers and get their electric bill paid every month. I mean, this thing is absolutely awesome. 625 will duplicate to 3,000 because those people go out and get their bonus, okay? Now, keep in mind, some people are going to bring more than 5. Some might bring less, but 5 will get you the bonus money right up front. So now all of a sudden, you can look up, you get $2,000 a month on the 15th, plus all the other monies that we talked about. And it just continues to flourish and grow. That 3,000 turns into 15,000. Folks, that'll put you over 17 grand, because get this, on level 6, we pay you a minimum of $1 per customer every month on your 6th level. So I think this thing is crazy. There are a lot of other bonuses, a lot of other commissions in there that I didn't talk about. But just know this, folks, the money is on the table. And I tell you, with the car bonus program of $1,000, our luxury bonus program of $3 grand, then we have a profit sharing like plan. We call it our global sharing pool, where all the national directors partake every month. And from what I understand, guys, that figure is going to range anywhere from $8,000 to about $30,000 every single month. So I don't know about you, but for $20, how can you afford to miss this one, guys? I mean, it's nothing like it. Last check, most jobs are not giving people a shot at making 20, 30 grand a month. Here, you can do it all day long by moving through and helping as many people as you can. So I've asked a couple of my partners to join us on the speaker line. Hopefully they were there still. And I know because Thursday is a busy night for our business. But I think I heard Ms. Carol Reed out of Chicago join on. Ms. Reed, are you still on with us?
Yes, I am, Mr. Battle. How are you?
All right. I am super good, ma'am. It's a pleasure to hear your voice. Can you just share with us a little bit about yourself? But what made you get involved with North American Power when you did? Because I know you had an awesome career in the mortgage business, but what did you see to get you going, and how is this business treated you?
Wow, I am bananas. You did an awesome presentation, and this business has got me going bananas, really. I am excited. Really, I mean, ever since Nationals, and I know this is not the question you asked me, but since Nationals, I've just been calling my team saying, say it loud, I'm nothing, I'm proud. That's my slogan. James Brown, say it loud, I'm nothing, I'm proud. I am really excited about this opportunity. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. When I joined North American Power, I have to honestly say I didn't see it. I did a favor for somebody, Mr. Battle, and after my dad passed, I just took another look at it. And I really got in it because of the Mission to Millions, because I wanted to see my dad's vision come to pass for the church. And we had a whole rehab project we had to do. So I got in it for the fundraising initially. And it has blessed my church. It has blessed my mom. It has blessed my family. And I am just so glad that it has blessed so many people. This is the easiest thing I've ever done. And yes, I had a successful mortgage career, but it wasn't residual. Every time I closed on somebody's loan or refinanced somebody's home, I had to go get another customer and go through the whole process all over again. If I could get paid for the 10, 12 years I've been in the business, I'd be okay. But with North American Power, the last 2 years, I'm getting residual checks from things that I did 2 years ago, and it's just phenomenal. And it's just an outstanding organization. I love the people that I work with. I love the leadership. It's just been phenomenal for me. I wouldn't trade it for the world. It's been a blessing. And for those of you that are hearing this for the first time, you may not understand everything, and none of us did. But if you can take $20 or $80 for 4 months and turn $10,000, who wouldn't? If not this, then what? Please take this to heart. If you have some questions, get back to the person that talked to you and invited you to this call. But this is what is up. I am so blessed to be a part of it. Back to you, Mr. Battle. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Reed, thank you so much. And I tell you, folks, I mean, it's like that across the country. People have heartfelt reasons why they chose to partner up with this company and make this an incredible plan B for them and their family. So, just like you said, get back whoever put you on the call, folks. I mean, they can show you how to get to their site and get your own site, get set up. I mean, you're talking about becoming an energy customer or purchasing a renewable energy certificate or green energy, as our utility companies call it. So, you know, you can't go wrong with doing all of ourselves a favor by cutting down the CO2 emissions in the environment. But more importantly, I think financially it's going to be a huge blast for our country, and we know that we truly need to look out for all of our future. So it's been an awesome pleasure, guys. We do these calls several days a week, which allows us to build our business nationwide using technology right from home. Okay, I love it. I love it. I love it. You don't have to drive anywhere. You can literally build a massive business right over the phone, right over the computer, and that's what it's all about. So with that being said, we look to see you soon, hopefully in your local area, a training or some sort. But in fact, we're going to be doing a training Saturday evening. Okay, we moved it to 5 p.m. because of the holiday. We got a call from some folks. So we moved it to 5 p.m. The same phone number, same webinar, everything. And we're going to share a few simple things on how to launch your business, how to get this thing into momentum and capture that $10,000 and a whole lot more. Because as we said tonight, we didn't share all of the money, folks, for time's sake. But trust me, there's a lot more income to be made here. And folks are going to position themselves for a strong six-figure, if not seven-figure income with North American Power. God bless you. Have a super rest of your evening. And we look forward to seeing everyone at the top. Good night, everybody.